going to run another project.
Un autre projet.
We have been working hard to make sure that young people and elderly alike
On fait tout pour que les jeunes aient des vies ensemble.
learn how to make podcasts out of our traditional music.
Apprennent comment faire de nos instruments traditionnels.
But before doing that, we want to invite ethnomusicologists
Nous invitons les professeurs
to talk about what our African and then Congolese traditional instruments are all about.
de parler des instruments musicaux traditionnels.
Okay, I think during this project, young people will learn how themselves they can make podcasts and they're gonna be fully part of it.
Les jeunes seront vraiment impliqués, c'est ce qu'ils vont faire aujourd'hui.
And make sure that when you make your podcast at the end of the project,
Quand tu fais ton histoire à la fin du projet,
you're gonna be there forever, even when you have gone.
ça va rester dans le musée même si vous êtes de mort.
Last time we did a project, a very interesting project in
La fois
Cambridge.
passée, il y avait un projet très intéressant.
Joanna, when was that again? 2017, I think.
C'était
It was a 2 years project.
C'est pendant 2 ans.
And I didn't bring the news, the magazine from Cambridge.
Je n'ai pas apporté la revue de Cambridge.
We did travel a lot with a group of 40 to 50 people to Cambridge.
On voyageait avec un groupe de 40 à 50 à Cambridge.
And then we had a 6-month exhibition there.
Il y avait l'exposition pendant 6 mois.
It was funded by the Heritage Lottery Fund.
L'argent était venu de Heritage for Lottery.
And we happy again that we have been funded by them for this.
Cette fois-ci encore, ce sont
For
eux
the next time.
qui encore nous ont donné l'argent.
And I'm going to take this opportunity to say thank you to Joanna as well.
Et je remercie Joanna.
Joanna is a lecturer.
Elle est professeure.
She's everywhere.
Elle est partout.
She's in Cambridge,
Elle est à Cambridge.
UCL, and now
UCL.
she's the curator.
Curateur,
Yeah.
right.
And then at the
Curateur.
same time, and Mimi.
Et
as
Mimi
well.
est là-bas derrière. Mimi,
Yeah.
il y a des bacs there.
Thank you, Mimi.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, okay. And Joanna teaches as well at Goldsmith College,
Et elle enseigne à Goldsmith College.
which is part of the University of London. Yeah.
C'est partie de l'Université de Londres.
So they've always supported us to make sure that
Ils nous supportent
the
toujours
Congolese
pour s'assurer que les Congolais
rediscover their culture or their
retrouvent leur
identity
culture et leur identité
through artifacts they
à
have in
travers
the museum.
les œuvres d'art dans le musée.
So I'm not going to be long.
Ce ne serait pas long.
We're going to hand the floor to Mr. Pengo.
I would like to invite Mr.
And then,
Pengo. On l'appelle le professeur Pengo.
But at the same time,
Musicologue.
we have invited a very interesting group of
On a aussi
musicians.
invité un groupe très intéressant de musiciens.
They're going to play some music, some Congolese music.
Ils vont jouer la musique congolaise.
The reason we've invited them today
On les a invités aujourd'hui parce que
is because through their music you can feel how they've been using
à travers les
traditional
musiques, on
instruments.
peut sentir comment ils utilisent les instruments traditionnels.
And then you're going to see as well how interesting
Vous allez voir
it
aussi
is to
comment
see
ceci-
young people playing
Ces jeunes jouer des
traditional
instruments traditionnels. Merci. On a vu le professeur Pengo. Merci beaucoup. Applaudissez s'il vous plaît. Le professeur Pengo, musicologue.
Bonjour tout le monde.
Once more, hello everyone.
Alors, on doit remercier les organisateurs de
We'd like to thank
cette
the
rencontre.
people who organized this meeting.
Madame Johanna,
Mrs. Johanna,
Madame Mimi,
Mrs. Mimi,
Monsieur Didier,
Mr. Ibila Didier,
ainsi que tout le monde
and everyone
qui a contribué à cette
who
rencontre.
contributed to this meeting.
On ne fera pas l'académisme ici.
We're not going to be academic here.
On sera très court pour
We'll be very
permettre à
brief
tout le monde de
to allow
comprendre
everyone to understand
ce que c'est que la musique
what is music
au Congo,
in the DRC,
et spécialement la musique traditionnelle.
and mainly the traditional music.
Mais avant toute chose,
Before everything,
on doit féliciter aussi également
we'd like to thank,
de voir dans notre communauté
to see in the community,
les enfants de très bas âge
young people, very young people,
grandir en Europe,
brought up in Europe,
au Royaume-Uni,
in the United Kingdom,
manipuler des instruments de musique de chez
try
nous.
to play musical instruments from our
J'aimerais bien que
country.
nous les applaudissions tous.
Let us clap for them.
Je crois que c'est un très très bon exemple.
It's a good example.
Alors, on va aller rapidement.
Go very quickly.
Qu'est-ce que c'est que la musique?
What is music?
Surtout en Afrique.
In Africa,
Nous avons dit que la musique chez nous en Afrique,
music in Africa
c'est comme les instruments de musique de chez nous.
are like musical instruments in our country.
Ils sont ce qu'on appelle un rôle fonctionnel
They've got a working role
et utilitaire.
and also useful role.
C'est-à-dire,
That means
9 fois sur 10,
9 out of 10,
toutes les activités que l'homme exécute, que la
Every-
femme exécute,
every activity that a man takes place in
se
Africa
fait accompagner par la musique.
is accompanied by music.
Ça, c'est surtout dans les cas de la musique traditionnelle.
That is in traditional music way.
Il y a la circoncision,
We have circumcision,
la naissance,
birth,
le sport,
sport,
la guerre,
war,
la chasse.
hunting,
Et tout ça s'accompagne par la
and
musique.
everything, all of these are accompanied by music.
Surtout la musique
Mainly
traditionnelle.
traditional music.
Alors, nous n'allons pas perdre beaucoup de temps.
We won't spend much
Nous avons
time.
pris l'exemple des 6 instruments de musique.
We only took 6 instruments, musical instruments.
Nous allons écouter ce qu'on appelle le tambour à peau.
We've got the drum with skin like this one here,
C'est exactement
like
celui-là,
this one here,
tambour à peau.
drum with skin,
Nous allons écouter également ce qu'on appelle le xylophone.
with xylophone.
Je vais vous raconter rapidement son histoire.
I'll tell you the story
Comment
of
il est
that.
parti de chez nous
How we went from our
jusqu'au
country
Brésil.
till Brazil.
Nous allons écouter aussi la sansa,
We listen to Sanza.
ce qu'on appelle les likembe.
We call it Ikembe.
Nous allons écouter aussi le trompe.
The drum.
Nous allons écouter également le tambour à fente, les drums,
Litz drums.
l'arc musical.
We've got the musical
On
bow.
va vous raconter une histoire rapidement.
We'll tell you a story very quickly.
Alors, avant toute chose,
Before everything,
au Congo,
in the DRC,
nous devons distinguer 3 sortes de musique.
we've got 3 kinds of music. Quickly,
On ne va pas faire d'académisme.
we're not doing
Il
the
y a ce qu'on appelle
academic.
la musique
We
traditionnelle.
have traditional music.
C'est ce que je voulais vous dire ici.
Is what I was telling you about.
Il y a les instruments.
We've got instruments.
Il y a les berceuses, par exemple.
And people that cattle people.
Quand les jumeaux naissent,
When the twins are born,
il y a des chansons.
we've got songs.
C'est ça qui est la tradition.
And that's the tradition.
Deuxièmement, il y a ce qu'on appelle la musique folklorique.
And we've got folk music.
Folklorique, c'est le mélange de la musique
Folk
traditionnelle
is traditional music
et la musique urbaine
and the urban music.
jouée dans un milieu urbain.
Play within an urban area.
Comme ça, vous aurez les Bantandu,
We've got like a tribe,
Basuku,
Basuku,
Baluba,
Baluba.
qui jouent leur musique
They play their
en milieu
music
urbain.
in urban area.
Ils mélangent la tradition de chez eux
They take the tradition from their countries
et les musiques modernes.
and then modern
Ils font ce
music,
qu'on appelle le folklore.
and then we call it folk music.
La troisième catégorie,
Then the third
on
one
s'arrêtera là,
will be
qu'on appelle la
there.
musique moderne.
We call it modern music.
Ah, la musique moderne,
Modern
le
music,
franco,
like
le
Franco,
hockey jazz,
okay, that
Fali
Franco,
Poupa,
Ipupa,
la rumba,
Rumba,
etc., etc.
and the rest.
Et ici, nous avons aussi un
And here-
exemple typique des
What is-
instruments modernes.
Example of modern instrument
Nous
here.
avons la guitare électrique,
You've got the electric guitar
nous
there.
avons les haut-parleurs,
We've got the speaker.
et ça donne l'image
That is an example of
de ce que nous avons au Congo comme musique
what
moderne.
we have in Congo as modern music.
Alors, nous allons passer maintenant par l'écoute des instruments de musique.
Let's listen to these instruments, music
Ah, il y a
instruments.
ce qu'on appelle les idiophones, catégorie de musique.
Idiophone that look like a sound making music.
Quand je tape comme ça,
When I struck this,
cette table-là
Fait le sound.
produit l'idiophone.
the table produces the sound. We call it idiophone sound.
Les cordophones,
The colorful like the
c'est
string
comme la
music,
guitare.
like the guitar.
Les aérophones,
Aerophone.
nous n'avons pas ça ici, la trompette,
We
les
don't have that
les
like
iron.
the trumpet, like the trombone, like
Les iron.
the iron there.
Yeah,
We don't have that here.
Yeah.
Avec les cordes des animaux par exemple.
Et puis le
A
membranophone.
number like this drum and the trumpet there on top. The skin animal.
Alors nous allons commencer par l'écoute si vous voulez, pour ceux qui ne connaissent pas.
Let's try to listen to some
Pour
of
nos
these.
enfants,
For our children who don't know the music,
tambour à peau.
this drum, the skin.
Est-ce qu'on peut écouter ça ou on peut jouer?
Can we listen or can someone play that? A little bit. Play Mulamba. Yes, Mulamba, it's you.
Yeah.
Go on. Yeah, that's it. That is. That membrane drum.
Moi je ne m'empêche pas de danser, parce que je suis né dans ça.
I feel like dancing because I was born in this, I taught this.
L'Institut national des arts pendant 10
That's the
ans.
decision of art in the
Et
DRC.
c'est là. Bravo, bravo,
Thank you
bravo,
very
bravo.
much. Bravo.
Eh bien, si nous avons un instrument vedette,
if we got an instrument that is on,
si nous avons un instrument roi en Afrique au Congo,
a king instrument,
c'est cet instrument-là.
is this one.
Donc on le trouve partout.
We find everywhere.
Et il est dans toutes les manifestations.
He is everywhere there is a ceremony.
Voilà. Alors, nous avons le xylophone.
Xylophone or marimba, we call it. Voilà,
Okay.
c'est ce que vous voyez là-bas. Là,
C'est ce que nous voyons.
c'est le xylophone ou marimba, on appelle ça parfois.
Alors, je voudrais m'élever.
I like to stand.
L'importance de cet instrument-là,
The importance of this instrument.
c'est que on le trouve non seulement chez nous,
We find it only
il
in
est
our
parti de
country,
chez nous,
but it went from our
on le
country
trouve jusqu'au Brésil,
and it's found till Brazil,
on le trouve jusqu'à Cuba.
in Cuba.
C'est-à-dire, lorsqu'on avait exporté nos ancêtres,
When our ancestors were taken from our
ils l'ont
country,
ramené là-bas.
they took it to Brazil, Cuba.
Chez nous, on les connaît par le nom de Madimba.
We call it Madimba in our country.
On l'appelle aussi beaucoup de noms.
There are
Mais les noms
names.
que j'aimerais bien retenir, c'est les Madimba.
But the name I like to keep is Madimba.
Et vous le
Marimba.
trouvez là-bas, ça s'appelle Marimba.
And there we call it Marimba in Brazil, I think.
Jusqu'aujourd'hui,
Till now.
c'est un instrument vedette,
It's really a star
mais
instrument.
qui est parti de nos ancêtres.
But it went through our ancestors.
L'ancêtre africain,
The
qui est
African
parti en
ancestor
esclavage
who went in
dans ce
slavery
pays-là,
to this
il a amené
country.
cet
He
instrument-là.
brought that instrument there.
Et ils ne sont pas partis à l'école
They didn't go to school
pour faire des lamelles de bois
to make these instruments
avec des systèmes d'acoustique très
with a sound
sophistiqués
system, sophisticated sound system
par leur tradition.
in their
Et
tradition.
aujourd'hui,
And today,
les musiques, les instruments modernes
modern
essaient de
instruments
copier
try to copy
électroniquement
this one electronically
ce que nos ancêtres
what our
ont
ancestors
inventé depuis des siècles.
created
Voilà.
centuries ago.
Voilà.
Laissons le xylophone, on va écouter ça rapidement.
That's the sound that xylophone makes.
Il peut s'accompagner aussi avec les tambours.
And it can go together with the skin drum.
Let's go.
Exactly.
Well
That's
done,
what
well
it is.
Fantastique.
Yeah, go, yeah.
Merci beaucoup, merci beaucoup.
Une invention typiquement africaine. Donc, depuis les ancêtres jusqu'à voir les enfants à l'époque moderne à faire ça, c'est formidable. Voilà. Alors, nous passons à notre instrument qui s'appelle la sansa. La sansa.
Ah, c'est le sound.
Merci beaucoup.
Thank you very much.
Merci beaucoup.
Thank you.
Comme vous pouvez l'écouter,
And you can listen to that.
ce n'est pas le son qui a été inventé au Japon,
This sound will not be from Japan,
ce n'est pas un son qui a été inventé en Europe,
not in Europe,
c'était un son qui a été inventé par nos ancêtres,
but it's a sound by our
avec leur
ancestors
intelligence
with
culturelle,
their cultural intelligence.
avec une petite boîte en bois,
With a small box
avec
in
des
wood,
lamelles en métal.
with the string,
Ou en
metal,
bambou.
or even the wood.
Ils ont fait cet instrument
They made this
que
instrument,
nous appelons scientifiquement la sansa,
and we call it sansa,
même vernaculairement on l'appelle likembe,
but we call it likembe sometimes,
bira,
bira,
etc.
and different names.
Malheureusement, je dirais
Unfortunately,
un mot,
says the word,
les politiques africaines
African policy
n'encouragent pas la promotion de ces
doesn't really
instruments.
encourage the promotion of these instruments.
Malheureusement. Mais si on pouvait faire la promotion des instruments, en tout cas,
They
il y
don't
aurait
promote
vraiment
these
un
instruments.
succès énorme.
If they did, it would be
Alors,
successful.
nous passons rapidement au trompe.
Oh, no, that antelope own, that the owner is the animal.
Bon, c'est très délicat d'en parler,
It's delicate. Now listen to the sound.
parce que pour faire cet instrument,
To make this instrument,
on doit tuer un
you have
animal.
to kill the animal.
Mais ici,
It's food anyway.
lorsque vous parlez de tuer un
But
animal,
when you talk about killing animals
ça
here,
fait tiquer.
it becomes the problem.
Mais
But it's food.
comprenez que ça s'est passé pas maintenant,
It's not now.
ça s'est passé.
It's long time ago in the past.
Et cet instrument
And this instrument
servait
used to be
surtout
used
à communiquer.
to communicate.
L'instrument musical n'est pas seulement pour faire la musique.
Not only for music, but
pour
also
communiquer.
mean of communication.
Quand il y avait la guerre
When there was war,
qui arrivait,
sometimes,
et on annonçait avec ça.
and they would use this instrument to announce to the
Par tout
people
ce qu'il y a un danger.
that there is a danger
Si
somewhere.
quelqu'un de très important mourait,
If someone important died,
il n'y avait pas les mobile phones.
we didn't have mobile phone by
Il n'y
then.
avait pas de téléphone.
We didn't have phone.
Mais il y avait ça.
But we had this.
Et ils utilisaient ça
And they
pour
used
communiquer.
this to communicate.
Également pour la danse.
And that also
On
for the
écoutait
dance.
l'extrait rapidement, on n'a pas le temps.
We listened to the sound very quickly.
Merci beaucoup.
Thank you very much.
La prochaine fois, vous aurez les images
You have
avec des
pictures.
gens qui les font, qui les soufflent.
People
Ne vous
trying
inquiétez
to
pas.
blow it.
Voilà. Alors, on va aller au tambour à fente. Tambour à fente.
The slate drums.
Ça, c'est le vrai tambour téléphone qu'on appelle.
It's really a drum telephone or a telephone drum.
Ça, les tambours téléphone. Les
That's
Belges
what it
avaient
is.
appelé ça tambour téléphone. Lorsque les
Et
Belges.
pour couper les bras aux gens,
When the Belgian came to scatter our arms and so on,
il s'est communiqué avec ça.
they used to people need to communicate with
Vous
this.
pouvez écouter le son, vous ne comprendrez pas.
You will listen to the sound, you will understand what it
Mais
means.
les initiés
But they need,
de
those
l'époque
people, at that time, people learned it,
comprennent parfaitement.
understood the message.
On écoute le son rapidement.
Listen to the sound very quickly.
On peut l'utiliser pour la danse aussi.
We also use this for dancing. That's very good, that's as well. That's very creative. Great. See, it goes with all the instruments. That's what it is.
Bravo, bravo.
Bravo,
Je suis très fier de vous.
I'm really proud of
Bon,
you.
on va terminer avec un instrument,
And we'll start with an instrument,
l'arc musical.
a musical bow.
Alors,
Très bien, l'arc musical. Cet instrument-là,
This instrument
c'est l'ancêtre
is the dean or the grandfather or the ancestor
ou de tous les instruments encore
of all string instruments.
traditionnels.
Traditional, of
Et
course.
là, il n'y a pas de guitare.
And there, there's no
avant que
guitar.
l'homme crée d'autres instruments,
Before they started making other
quels que
instruments,
soient les pygmées ou les autochtones,
Pygmy or
tous les-
whoever was there at that,
c'est
but then,
l'instrument qu'ils ont commencé à faire.
they started with this instrument.
Ils ont commencé à faire ces
They
instruments.
started with this one.
Mais l'histoire de ces instruments-là
But with this instrument,
est étrange.
the sound is strange.
L'homme a commencé par d'abord à tuer l'animal
The man first killed an animal
avec une arc et une flèche.
with the bow and the arrow.
Un jour,
One day,
il va à la chasse,
he went hunting.
à l'arc,
We are hunting with bow.
il tire,
He just threw
il tue un animal,
he killed an animal.
mais malheureusement c'est un animal interdit.
Unfortunately, that animal was forbidden to be
On ne
killed.
pouvait pas tuer cet animal.
We couldn't kill that animal.
Il a commencé à pleurer,
And the man started crying.
il commence à trembler.
He was shaking.
Qu'est-ce qu'il faut faire?
What should I do?
Avant que le village ne sache qu'il a tué,
Before the villagers know that I killed an animal which is forbidden to be
il
killed,
commençait à trembler.
he was shaking.
Une idée lui est arrivée en
And then
tête.
an idea came up his
C'est
mind.
dans la mythologie, hein?
And that myth,
La mythologie, hein?
Myth.
La création de cet instrument.
that the audience was created.
Il a commencé à parler à l'animal.
And started talking to the dead animal.
L'animal ne s'est réveillé pas.
The animal wasn't waking up.
Il a dit, ok,
He said, okay,
mais je peux faire un contrat avec vous,
I can sign a contract with you.
que vous soyez mort ou pas,
Dead or not,
à partir d'aujourd'hui.
from today on,
Cet instrument
this instrument
ne sera plus
will not only
un instrument
be
de chasse,
for
ça sera
hunting,
un instrument de musique.
but the musical
Il
instrument.
a commencé à tourner l'instrument,
And then he
il a,
took the instrument,
il a jeté la flèche,
and then he threw the
il a pris
arrow.
la tige,
He took the the stick.
Nicolas a commencé à jouer.
And started playing.
Au fur et à mesure qu'il jouait,
and step by step would play.
Il jouait.
When he was playing,
il a créé un lien d'amour avec l'animal.
He started creating like a
et
kind of love between him and the
l'animal s'est
animal.
réveillé.
And the animal woke up.
L'animal s'est réveillé.
The animal woke up.
Il a commencé à chanter.
And he started
il a commencé à danser.
Voilà
la naissance de ce
how this instrument was created according to the African myth.
Est-ce qu'on peut écouter un son?
And listen to the sound.
Et ça sera la dernière.
Et le moment où il parlait à l'animal.
When he was talking to the animal.
It can go with other instruments as well. I'm going to just try. You Jaden, try with that. Accompany that one. Listen. Oh. You have created this.
Bravo. Eh bien, mes chers amis, on aura terminé notre présentation. En espérant que nous ferons mieux et un orchestre complet avec des instruments traditionnels, avec nos enfants, et j'espère que vous aimerez ça et que vous avez aimé cette exposition. J'ai dit, je vous remercie.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Mamoyo, What's your name? When we first came, they absolutely infuse the music gallery. That's really what the music gallery is all about. Just the things that you were hearing about earlier. And they're big themes that are talked about in the music gallery, and basically we divide it into several different walls. The first one, when you come in, is called At Home with Music, and it talks about domestic keyboard instruments from a 500-year period. Some of those instruments are in playing order. That's why there's an alarm, so that people don't get touched them because they're quite fragile, but they're really beautiful. The second wall here is called The Rhythm of Life. And this really touches on the themes that we were talking about before, that music infuses every part of our lives. It has a role to play, whatever we're doing. From birth all the way to death and into the next world. And this case shows the different ways that music and musical instruments infuse our lives. It doesn't matter where you live, what culture you're from, what instruments you're used to. We all have music that works in the same way, and that allows us to show how music is knitted closely into our lives. Here in the third case, these are long cases. This is called The Ideal Sound, but it's about people looking for sound, looking for instruments. And at the very end, there's a case about musicians and peoples in diaspora, that when they move, everybody takes your music, you take your instrument, you take your culture with you. You meet someone or something new, and something wonderful happens as a result. Something different and creative can come out of it. And that's what that's talking about, how there's this, what you call the mélange, where things mix up and come out in a completely different and new and fresh way. In the middle of that case, we show part of our collection, which is enormous. It's called the Boosey and Hawkes Collection. You might have heard of Boosey and Hawkes. They're big music publishers in this country, and they make musical instruments for bands and orchestras and schools. All through the 19th century, then they gobbled up a lot of little companies, became a big company, and then like a lot of English companies, they gradually went down. They just didn't keep up with the times in some way, but we're lucky because we have their collection there in the center. You can see how it developed from the late 18th century all the way into the 20th century, and then into the 21st century. When the firm collapsed or closed, the Horniman was there. The Horniman was there, and we could rescue a lot of the ledgers and the archives of the firm. So we're really pleased not only to get their collections, but also to get the background information about the people who actually worked on the shop floor. The final wall there, it's kind of it's a very, very dense display, and it's called Listening to Order. But that's where we can put instruments that are, well, we have classification system for instruments, and we can talk about instruments by the way that they produce a sound. And this shows instruments by the way they produce a sound. So it groups together instruments cross-culturally that use similar means to make a sound. So it's a chordophone, whether it's a guitar, a piano, or a harp. All these different instruments all use strings to make a sound. If it's a membranophone, it's some kind of drum that has a membrane, and so on. So there's these different classifications. And here at the very end, we have the Cars collection, which is a large collection of brass and woodwind instruments from Western culture that was given to the Horniman in 1947 by Adam Foss in memory of his son, who was killed in the Second World War. And he had this idea of musical instruments, which we don't really subscribe to anymore, because it talks about the kind of evolution of musical instruments. Well, we don't see it that way. We see music as wedded to the instruments, that the music and the instruments are wedded to each other. But he saw musical instruments as developing inexorably towards the form that they finally attained in the 20th century symphony orchestra. But we realize that even though that's a flawed way of looking at it, it's still a very interesting way to be able to put instruments into a particular order. And he collected them thoughtfully, so that was important because he actually had an idea and then he fulfilled it through his collection. So as we go up and down, I'm going to try and point out to you the instruments that I've found in our collection that come from Congo. Some of them are still classified in our database as having come from Zaire. So I didn't find them all immediately because I didn't search for Zaire. But I did find some eventually, and I'll point them out as we go. But if you have questions as we go along, please ask, and I'll try and help find the answer. If I can't tell you right now, I'll go away and find out and get back to you. So, shall we just start? Oh yeah, and at the very end. So, we're always trying to get people in touch with the sounds of instruments. And halfway down this aisle here, there's a room to the left, which is called the hands-on space. And in there, you'll find a sansa that you can play, and also a xylophone. Everybody is invited to try the instruments, and there are other instruments there too. You can try whatever you find in there, and actually get your hands on the instruments that were being talked about so very earlier. Shall we start? Yeah. Michael, pull that down. Yes, sir. I wanted to point out that there are Congolese instruments in this case. Number 30. You see number 35 there? These are rattles made from nuts. There. And there you can hit them together. And the other ones are whistles. So this, please don't set up the alarm. There's do you see the ones I'm talking about there? And others are whistles there. So there's two pairs of whistles, there's a rattle. If you want to have a look at this, it's going to disappear. And then they make their own music and their own programs using instruments. And their music and the instruments they used are going to feature in that case soon. So have a good look at the brick school now. We'll be that won't be there after June. Have a look at that. Behind you? Oops, that's me setting off there. That's me. I did that. That was my fault. This is a harpsichord. It was made by a really famous maker of harpsichords in the 18th century in London. His name was Kirkman. And it was really only rich people who could afford to have an instrument like this in their house. If you were making money or starting to make money for a kind of prestige item in your house or something that really showed status, that's what you bought to put into your front room. A big harpsichord like that announced, said, "I've arrived, I've got money, and my daughters have time to learn and play it."
How much does it cost?
Well, it cost in those days, it cost what they called 90 guineas. And they said ordinary harpsichords could be had for 25 guineas. So it's a lot more expensive than ordinary harpsichords.
Okay.
This is from a wedding in Uzbekistan. And you can see here that when we collect the instruments, we also collect the way that they've been used. Some of the instruments that you see and the clothing that you see here is actually the clothing and instruments that appear in the case. We don't just collect instruments, we collect the context and how they're used. You can see that drum is there, yeah. Guitar is there, number 32. And this tells the story of the woman who's about to get married and she's being taken from her birth home to the home of her husband. She's not supposed to show her face until she gets to her new home. We can move on. But we never had one owner. He's a very famous horn player called Giovanni Puzzi. A nice, memorable name. He lived in the 19th century and he was brought to London as war spoils. In other words, musicians died. Is he still alive? No, he died. But his grandson collected this horn from him, and then he gave it to a museum, and it's never been used by anybody else. So we can tell the way. They're called the bandra, the percussion sticks. There. Yes, the xylophone there. But that's not necessarily. Yeah, these are different kinds of songs. They're not all necessarily from Congo. They come from all different places.
But that one is not Congolese.
Sorry.
That one.
There's not Congolese.
This one with the woman with the drum on it, that's Congolese. That one there. Yeah. And this is Nigerian talking drum.
Absolutely, talking drum.
Sorry. So the way that work is, it's shaped like an hourglass, and you put it under your arm, and you can adjust the tension on the
Senegal,
in order to change the tone, and that way you could make different syllables, and it has a whole poetic language connected to it, and it could be heard. It was said for
Bana everything was like interesting. Sincère, on a su connaître l'homme. Sincère, on a su comment. Wanaka. Sim. Você não toca onde? Olha cá. Eu que te gosto. Eu bimara, tu bima Easter. Você não toca onde? Ponga no que studio, mas só na vídeo lá
C'est comme ça.
So the way that this works is...
Yeah. Excuse me, this is...
The way this works is there are some drums and some objects in the case that have red tags.
Listen.
Red tags.
Red tags.
And if you want to hear a drum or an instrument like the one with the red tag, you find it here. So that's 89. If you go to 139.
What found 139? 139. 139.
There it is. Then you can
press. Okay, it's there.
And this is a traditional instrument. So you can hear it.
find another number.
The red tag. Well,
No,
back to that
no, 127. 127.
127?
Is there? Is there? Is there?
Where's the code again?
127 is there. Look. Look. 127. 127. 127. 127. Go back. No, this one. No. Left way. Yeah, 127. No.
There you go. Oh, no, 132. Sorry, next one.
127. Yeah, this one.
There it is.
Okay.
What's the narrow shape? 89.
Ils sont loin. Dans l'organisation, comment vous allez faire ça?
Parce qu'il y a presque une Cézanne dans la section.
Excuse me, the Congolese instrument they are there. Can we have one? Look, is that number combien?
89.
89. Okay, Likembe. Okay. Mira. Listen. He's not playing.
Yes, exactly the same one we have.
The same we had there. Okay, Likembe.